little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, splashing in ponds along the way. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks had lots of fun, chasing the clouds and the golden sun. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks waddled and spun, dancing in puddles one by one. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck felt all alone, searching for friends to bring back home. Mama duck said, quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Sad Mama duck went quack, 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 over the hill to bring the